Rapid Power Generation, formerly known as A1 Power Systems, was established in 2004. So we build diesel generators from 10 kVA to 2500 kVA, standard product and bespoke solutions for our customers. Our generators are manufactured at our state-of-the-art facilities here in County Armagh, Northern Ireland. So within our generators, we only use premium brands such as Volvo, Perkins, Scania, McAlty alternators and deep sea controllers. We offer a comprehensive after-sales support, including 24/7 call-out and various maintenance contracts. We manufacture both standard and bespoke generators for a wide range of industries, including agricultural, crushing and screening, hospitality, healthcare and OEMs. Right from the beginning, we've been known for our ability to offer a totally bespoke solution for our customers. We're a one-stop shop, right from design through to manufacturing, everything's under one roof. We've over 30 years experience in the generator industry, always pushing the boundaries, staying ahead of the curve and offering our customer a superior power solution.